Most people damage their credit score without even realizing it. And here's the truth no one tells you. It is not just about paying your credit card on time. It is about how much of your credit you are using at any moment. In this video, you'll understand what credit utilization really is in 2026, what percentage you should keep, and how a small change can dramatically improve your credit score. Let's get straight into it. Credit utilization is the percentage of your available credit that you are currently using. So if Alex in Mumbai has a credit limit of 50,000 rupees and he spends 25,000, his utilization is 50%. That number alone can heavily impact his credit score. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even if Alex pays his bill in full later, his score can still drop temporarily if his utilization was high when the statement was generated. That surprises a lot of people. So what is the ideal percentage? The safest range is below 30%. But here's the important part. If you want to maximize your credit score in 2026, staying below 10% is even better. But here's the problem. Most people only think about payment due dates. They ignore their usage during the month. That is where they go wrong. Now let's make this simple. If Jake in the US has a $1,000 credit limit, staying below $300 keeps him in the safe zone. But if he wants a stronger credit score for loans or higher credit limits, keeping usage around $100 is even better. Now here's where it gets interesting. Credit scoring systems often look at your statement balance, not just what you eventually pay. So even if you pay everything on time, high usage before the statement closes can still affect your score. That is why timing matters. Here's a simple strategy you can use right now. First, never max out your credit card, even temporarily. That signals high-risk behavior. Second, try to make multiple small payments during the month instead of one large payment at the end. This keeps your reported utilization lower. Third, if possible, ask your bank for a credit limit increase. This automatically reduces your utilization percentage without changing your spending habits. For example, if your limit doubles, your utilization drops instantly. But here's a mistake many beginners make. They increase their limit, and then increase their spending too. That cancels the benefit completely. So discipline is key here. Now let's connect everything. Low utilization tells banks that you are responsible, not dependent on credit, and capable of managing money. That is exactly what improves your credit score over time. So to wrap it up, keep your credit utilization below 30%, ideally under 10%, and always manage your spending before the statement closes. If you do this consistently, your credit profile becomes stronger without any extra effort. If this helped you, like the video, comment your credit score range so I can make more targeted tips, and subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns that actually help you build a stronger financial future.